Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. I'm preparing to upgrade the brakes on this one. So what I'm going to do is to transfer what you're seeing here, which was on the previous car, to this new car. Now, I came to a conclusion that this color, personally, it doesn't properly match with red. What I'm going to do is I'm going to repaint this stuff. I really want to share with you all the whole process as I'm going to repaint this, how I'm working on removing this paint and to get to the new paint. And I have two colors in mind currently, and I already have the primary color which I believe to go for, and the other secondary color which I'm thinking. But before that, I want to hear from you all. Which color should I paint my calipers? Which color should I paint these calipers so that it will match with the car? It's kind of tough when you have this red color and you're trying to match up with your calipers. It's really tough. Anyways, and so how do I get to this step? The first thing you need to do is to remove this paint. Now, there are many ways to do that. Either you can use a sandpaper right away and start sandblasting, or you can do a sandblast and remove all the paints with a sandblast, or just use a sandpaper and start scratching up until you get to this point. But the easiest way to do it, actually, which is something you need to remember, if you have a caliper and you want to remove the paint, the very first thing you want to do, find something like this one. This is a good solution I've found so far. Or you can use a brush. All right, let's get to work. I decided to go ahead and find a professional place to help me remove the paint, to strip the paint to a bare metal. Let's go drop the stuff. Once they're done, collect it, and then we do the painting. So these people will, I'll leave it here. I don't know how long it's going to take, so they will help me remove they do powder coating as well. So if you need your wheels or whatever need powder coated, you can come here and they will help you out. I dropped the calipers and they said they will finish it tomorrow. I can come back and collect it tomorrow. So fast forward to tomorrow. Actually, what a surprise! I went to pick up the stuff and they work it out just in one day, and I'm very happy the way it turns out and exactly how I wanted it, because I wanted it to be at a bare metal. I didn't want anything out of the way, so that I can have that crisp and glossy look of the calipers. What I'm going to do next right now is to cover every area that I don't want the paint to go through. Let's get started. All right, people, it's late. It's almost 12 a.m. and I've been just prepping this. I masked everything that I could, everywhere where I don't want the paint to go through. I mask it. I mask everywhere where the bolt goes through and stuff like that. Everything is masked, and I am ready to paint them. All right, I'm done for the night. I'll catch you on another episode where I'm going to paint this and everything else. Catch you on the next one.